I don't know.
I guess we can't.
There we go. Huh. Okay. Oh, you've got a lot of room out here.
I know.
This is actually going to be quite good size once you knock down this lattice.
Yeah, it's going to feel a lot better.
Paint this fence.
Stuff out.
You paint this fence and put up some nice trellises with bougainvillea, resawed. This is going to be a good size.
It's pretty private.
It really is.
And then a little area up here. This will probably just keep rock.
Yeah.
I bet this is where I wonder if this is where the utility people come.
Could be. I don't know what else you could do out here.
Nothing. I'd just keep it rock, kill that grass.
Yeah, and let Snoopy run,
and just
do laps. Yeah. Maybe a couple. You could put some trees out here, so you could see. Well, that's frosted. That's good.
Yeah,
that's got to go.
That's coming out. These are in good shape. These euonymus are in good shape. I would keep those.
Yep.
Redo this retaining wall.
Yeah, put the pretty block.
But without this lattice, it's actually...
It's good size. This is plenty to make it really, really pretty. And paint out here and get rid of this blue.
And it looks like she built up the fence for her dogs. Fix that board and we're in good shape. Snoopy won't be able to escape.
Nope, it's safe for Snoopy.
Yeah, I don't see anywhere to get out.
Nope. Lots of places for him to run around and play.
Yeah, there's boards in.
I think you can make this really nice.
Hi, cute little one. Hello. Yes.
Little puppy.
Cute. Hi. Are you Thelma or Louise? Are you? Do you know?
Yes, you're adorable. Come on, little one.
Go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay, so this is coming in.
Right, you don't have to worry about it. Yep, that's
I need to do a better job of filming.
Which makes me wonder if that's where we're headed.
Yeah, this will be
where my side table will be. Don't have a clue. All I do is keep up with today.
If we can, because it changes consistently.
Jerry worked for Macy's, Kristen Lee.
Oh, nice. I love
She's
Macy's.
a Macy's shopper.
Love Macy's.
Lisa? I see. I feel a puppy.
My daughter is a Nordstrom's shopper.
Oh, is she?
Oh, yeah. She loves Nordstrom. She called me this morning and just had her hair cut. I said, where are you? And she goes, I'm going into Nordstrom's rack. And I went, okay.
Nordy's rack.
Nordstrom's big in Seattle.
Yeah, I got fresh out of business up in Seattle. She says it rains like 90% of the year.
It does.
Like, really?
I was on Lummi Island and Camino Island. Lummi Island for over 20 years now.
Are you?
And I told the girls in the morning and the afternoon, oftentimes you can't tell the difference because one silver.
You're silly.
On the water, you look out and it's just red. It's silvery red. You don't know whether it's 7 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Boy, that got to be just too much.
This is Lisa pulling up her pants.
They were having a smackdown.
We guys have the smack down.
Thelma and Louise.
It's like, wait a minute here, it's like sunny, hot.
Right.
In LA, if they get there, it's like...
Right. Big difference.
And I understand why.
James Frank.
We need to rescue Mother.
let's look at this wall where the TV won't fit. That wall is about the same size as the TV.
No, won't work.
Gonna have to go with the
Gonna have to go with the smaller one.
It gets cold.
It does.
Unless she lets you put it on that wall, which would look stupid. Yeah, it's
Then we're gonna take
too
off.
big.
And I imagine that this will be the last time that.
Now I said 180 by 17 feet, didn't I?
Yes.
Okay.